Cartoon Islamic story Yusuf and the Magic of Honesty. In a colorful little town, there lived a cheerful boy named Yusuf. Yusuf was poor, but his heart was brighter than gold. He lived in a tiny house with his kind mother. Yusuf always smiled and said, "Allah is always watching." One sunny day, Yusuf was walking to the market. Suddenly, he saw a shiny bag on the road. Yusuf's eyes went wide. Wow! Gold coins! A tiny voice whispered, "Yusuf, keep it. You can buy toys." But another voice said, "No, it is a trust. Allah loves honesty." Yusuf nodded and ran to the mosque. The imam smiled and said, "Well done, Yusuf. You are a good boy." Soon, an old merchant arrived. Tears filled his eyes. "That is my bag," he said. Yusuf happily returned it. The old man made a dua. "May Allah always bless you." A few days later, Yusuf got a good job. His mother became healthy, and Yusuf became even happier. Yusuf laughed and said, "Honesty is the real magic." Moral of the cartoon story: honesty makes you a hero. A trust must always be returned. Allah rewards good deeds.